In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an in-progress Airbnb listing. If you've ever started creating a listing on Airbnb but decided not to proceed, it's handy to know how to clean up your online space by deleting any unfinished listings. Let's dive right in and go through this step-by-step process together. To start, open up your web browser and head over to airbnb.com. This is your starting point for accessing all your Airbnb hosting tools. Once you're on the Airbnb homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You should see the profile icon next to a small drop-down arrow. Click on it to open up the menu, and from there, select the option that says Switch to Hosting. This will transition your view from the guest interface to your hosting dashboard, where you'll have access to all the tools you need for managing your listings. Next, you'll find yourself in the hosting dashboard. Here, you want to focus on the left-hand side menu. You'll see a variety of options here, but your attention needs to be directed to the option labeled Listings. Click on Listings to see a comprehensive overview of all your current, past, and in-progress listings. This is where you can manage, edit, or remove listings as needed. Now, once you're in the Listings section, look through the list of properties you've been working on. If you have multiple listings, you'll see them all displayed here. Take a moment to locate the specific listing that you wish to delete. Clicking on the listing name will open up more detailed options specific to that listing, giving you access to editing tools and further settings. When you've successfully clicked into the desired listing that you want to remove, you need to focus on the options that appear here. You'll find an option that says Remove Listing. It's essential to ensure that this is, in fact, the in-progress listing you want to delete, because once it's gone, you can't recover it. When you're confident that you're removing the correct listing, click on this Remove Listing option to finalize the deletion process. And that's it. Remember, this process is irreversible, so always double check before you delete. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Airbnb dashboard by keeping it neat and organized, removing any unwanted in-progress listings. This helps streamline your account and focus on the listings that truly matter to you. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below if you need further help. Happy hosting!